All right, time for some Tuesday birthdays, and we begin in Columbus with Wilder Roth, celebrating birthday number 4. A very happy birthday to you, Wilder. And boy, we have got one heck of a list here today.
And we've got Finley Albright turning 5 years old. What cute girl in her dress there. Happy birthday, Finley.
And Oakley Lynn Johnson, also known as Blue, celebrating number 7 in Girard. Happy birthday.
All right, and Megan Pack turning 9 years old this year in Galesburg.
All right, we've got Orrin Hayward celebrating birthday number 10 in Altamont with love from Uma and Papa.
All right, Georgia O'Banion celebrating birthday number 10 this year as well. Georgia is in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday to my bunkie from you mama. That's what it says.
We've got Avery Marsh celebrating birthday number 11 in Fort Scott and enjoying some pizza as well. Happy birthday, Avery.
And I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly. Lasaria Eats celebrating birthday number 14 in Iola. Happy birthday wishes coming out to you from Dad, Mom, Isaiah, Jalissa, Danelle, and Thaddeus.
We've also got Briley Ingalls celebrating number 15 in Miami. She's a Miami High School cheerleader, a barrel racer, and this is happy birthday from all of the family.
All right, Mackenzie Leroy turning 17 years old this year. Happy birthday, Mackenzie, in Chanute.
Natalie Powell celebrating number 17 in Frontenac with love from Aunt Laura, Uncle Joe, and the kids.
All right, Wyatt Durman turning 17 years old this year in Jasper, Missouri.
And Devin Philpott celebrating number 18 in Joplin with love from Nana, Papa, aunties, uncles, and the family.
All right, Macy Anderson celebrating the big 2-0 today in Scammon, Kansas. Happy birthday from Doug and Rhonda in Oswego and from Karen in Columbus. Happy birthday, Macy.
And we've got Patty Holder celebrating number,
you skipped one.
I skipped one. I'm so sorry. Will celebrating the big 21 today in Columbus. Happy birthday to Will Eddington.
All right, now we're ready for Patty. Patty Holder turning the big 4-0. We just wanted to say your name multiple times, Patty. Love, Tanaya, Kiara, Edward, Stephen, Robert, and Mom.
And we've got Gina Bauer in Parsons celebrating number 42. Happy birthday, Gina.
Tabitha Stoll turning 44 this year. Look at that cake there in Humboldt, Kansas.
We've got Jeremiah Davis in Pittsburgh celebrating number 48 with love from all of the family. A great throwback picture there.
All right, Jean Parker turning double nickels this year. Jean is in Fort Scott.
And we've got Barry Frame turning 63 in Moran, Kansas. Happy birthday, Barry.
All right, Pam Burgart celebrating number 64 this year in Carl Junction. Happy birthday with love from Lynn, Michael, Landon, and Remy.
And we've got Brian Stroud celebrating a birthday in Frontenac. Happy birthday, Brian.
And in Erie, Kansas, Charla Sands is celebrating a birthday, along with several other Sands. We got Jody and Kim as well, all 3 of them in Erie.
So the party is in Erie today. This was one heck of a birthday list. Let's make tomorrow's one heck of a birthday list. How do they do that?
I like it. All they have to do is send them to this email. It's real easy. Don't forget the S on birthdays. birthdays@koamnewsnow.com.
And of course, when you're checking out our website for the latest information that you need to know, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It's easy to do. You get great deals from local businesses. You also get a cool birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So make sure you head over to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today. All right, we got a lot of weather to talk